Opening of the Reboot 2 Spyder half face. So this one is pretty simple, pretty nice actually. This one is the grey color. The grey, the black and the green. Pero the black is sold out. So it comes already with the dark visor, dark lens. Is a 2195. Let's say 2200 SRP. It's actually pretty comfortable. I tried a few times. This one is a large size. I think it's pretty much the same as KYT sizing. It's good if you need something to just go down the road, you know, or in a subdivision. Or for the NCAS, it's very good for the NCAS when it's coming back and you need your own helmet. It's good for a quick ride. It's very light also, 1150 grams, so just over 1 kilo. ICC of course. It's pretty good looking and it's cheap, honestly. 2200 only. Good quality. Does the job. It has one of those hook like that. So that's the grey one. So if you want, message me on Facebook. Iclo by MANILA, 2200 pesos SRP plus a free keychain. They're very good. I like it. I was thinking actually maybe should I get one or no, as a half face, you know, when NCAS start again. Maybe in black I will get it. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have Titico's dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Repro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in the description for Iclo by MANILA on Facebook and just send us a message.